am joined by BJP spokesperson Madhu and Rao and also by Congress's leader Amrit Shenoy. Thank you so much for joining, both of you. I'll begin with you, Madhu. Very, very clearly, Priyank Khadge there pointing it out that it was a love affair and that BJP is only trying to divide. That is the only thing that the BJP is good at. They're trying to divide on communal lines and take this entire thing forward.
Well, good evening. Well, I for a moment thought Mr. Priyank Khadge was the Minister of State of Karnataka. I never thought he is a forensic expert to spill out everything for that matter. Let's hit the nails. Now, the Congress government in Karnataka, for example, for that matter, take into consideration Mr. Siddaramaiah, Mr. Parameshwar, Mr. D.K. Shivakumar. How are they privy to all the information as to what has happened? I just want to know. Point one. Point two. The victim's father, Mr. Neha Hiremath, he himself has told very, very evidently that there is an issue of love jihad. And of course, this has also been highlighted by our minister, Mr. Prahlad Joshi, just about a few minutes back. Now, this being the case, I was just seeing his interview on the Republic Kannada, in fact, your own channel, where he himself has categorically told there is some sort of investigation, rather to say in another manner, is being done by this Congress government. Let us understand one thing. He himself is from Congress party. He's not a BJP person. Question arises, why is that the government is not investigating in a manner which is to be done? That is what we are asking for. If there is a love jihad angle, kindly investigate. Is there not a law for that matter in Karnataka? When we were in government, we have passed a law called as Karnataka Protection of Right to Freedom of Religion Act under Section 3. Kindly investigate. Is it wrong on our part to ask such question also? There is a rule of law which needs to be followed. How is that the ministers just spring up and say, no, it is not love jihad case? Why are you getting into this? You are not the investigation officer. You are not forensic experts, for heaven's sake. And very important thing I want to tell you, when this guy, Fayaz, he was arrested, who is leaking the photos of this Neha and these guys? When the phone is being seized by the investigating officers, who is behind it? I am not asking these questions. These questions are posed by the victim's father. And it is the onus lies on the government to answer these things. Therefore, we are just airing the views of Neha as well as all the public at large.
This is precisely why, Amrit, the question lies in the fact that a father who's lost his daughter is very clearly saying that I've given out names to the police. I want justice and I want these people arrested. Not even a single action has been taken. Now, he is a congressman. He is protesting against his own party. Now think of the scenario in Karnataka. Why would a common man feel that he would get justice if here a party person, a congressman, is not getting justice when he's looking up at his own party?
Yeah, let me tell you, we have an objection about that jihad. What is that love jihad? BJP is putting allegations and speaking about love jihad, and nobody has seen that. What is that love jihad? If there is a love jihad, as per their statement, I've heard earlier,
that is a statement that comes from the father. That is a statement that comes from the father.
Wait. Love jihad
doesn't that come from the father? Have you not heard Neha Hiremath speak about love jihad?
No,
have you not seen the father speak about it?
Yeah, I have heard what today is that father has told today. He is not protesting against the government. That person is arrested and government will take necessary steps as per the law of the land. And BJP is very selective. Wherever the murderer accused is a Muslim and the deceased is a Hindu, then only BJP cries this crocodile tears. So let me ask a BJP spokesperson here, if there is a love jihad, if there is a thing called love jihad, interstate or international conspiracy to destroy Hindu girls, what Narendra Modi ji is doing since 10 years, why he could not stop it if there is a love jihad? There is no such thing called a love jihad. Love jihad is a imaginary story.
No, I think Amrit.
May I come in?
Don't put it on the BJP. I think it is very clear that you will have to listen to a father who's grieving. You will have to
Hello?
listen to a father who's putting down allegations and wants justice for his daughter. You can't put everything on the BJP. Let BJP make their claims. We're not talking
He will
about
get
the
the
BJP.
justice.
We're talking
He will
about
get
the
the
daughter's,
justice.
the lady's father. We're talking about Neha's
I
father.
am talking that BJP is trying to gain politically here. BJP is making politics
What
on
are
the
you
death
talking,
of a
Mr.
girl, and
Congress?
BJP has been
I'm saying
is
forget
doing the
BJP.
same thing
Forget
since long.
BJP. Forget the inroads they're trying to make politically. I'm not even concerned about the BJP here. I'm only asking you, why would you not listen to the father? Why would you not think of giving answers to the father who's putting down questions? He's very clearly saying, I've given out 8 names. Why no
Perfect.
action?
Exactly.
There will be action. There
When?
will be justice.
When?
Everybody will get justice under the Congress government. We don't see the religion of the victims. We don't see the
May I
religion
come
of
in?
the accused. Only BJP does do that.
May I come in?
You're trying to make political inroads. That is what he's saying, Amrit. Amrit is saying that you're trying to make political inroads, Madhu.
Mr. Amrut, I think he's confused perhaps. Let me remind Mr. Congress spokesperson. You are, I can only tell one thing. I am reading now, there is an FIR which has been registered against 7 people for love jihad angle under, that is what I was supposed to call, now that's called as the Karnataka Protection of Right to Freedom of Religion Act. What we are asking is, book FIRs also under this and investigate in a particular manner. What is your problem? You are taking public at large. You are just taking them for ransom. There have been n number of murders which have taken place. Law and order has collapsed in Karnataka. There have been rapes which have been occurring. And yes, if there is a fact which I have to tell, if a particular community is acting against a particular community, that's a fact. Who told that we are making it Hindu-Muslim? Kindly understand, Mr. Congress, that we are only talking from a perspective of a particular law which is in force. And if Mr. Congress is talking, saying that, oh no, why Modi ji did not do, I want to only educate the Congress people that it is a state subject, and Mr. Siddaramaiah, Mr. Parameshwar, Mr. D.K. Shivkumar, who are the ministers at power, they should take into consideration all these things. Mr. Niranjan Hiremath, the victim's father, has come out openly saying that these people are doing something else. I am not telling this. So what is your answer? Your answer is no, we will see later. When will you see? You should act swiftly. You are not acting. You are making it political. You are making it appeasement politics. In fact, you are making a quid pro quo issue. One community has voted for you, so therefore you have all the right
And
to
to
tell
be
them,
honest,
don't worry, I'm there with you.
Madhu, we're not really concerned
Madhu,
whether
Mr.
this is. We're not really concerned
Mr.
with what
Madhu
BJP
should
has
know
to gain
that
from it politically.
few days
What
back-
I'm trying to
few
ask
days
is that
back,
people in Karnataka are looking at this and looking at the situation and questioning. It is about a father who's trying to get justice.
Exactly. That's what we've been
And-
asking.
and
There
the
have been
Congress doesn't
incidents.
seem to
No,
be
I will tell you
standing with
something.
their own man.
There have been
Father
incidents which
will
has taken
get
in
the
Mysore.
justice.
There have been
BJP
incidents which has taken place in
Father
Pur.
belongs to
There have been
Congress
incidents which has
and
taken
he's
place in
corporator
Belgaum.
there.
What is the
He will
Congress
get the
response for
justice.
this?
Every individual get the justice here.
When
But
are we getting, sir?
I
When are we getting under
I
your
would like to
government?
Why not
ask
a CBI
BJP
probe?
fellow.
Even before the
So
investigation starts.
if you're not able to catch the culprits, if you're not able
even
to,
before
if
the
he's given out
investigation
names
starts,
and he's saying
BJP
where is
is
the
telling
probe,
it is allowed
why
here.
not a
Sir, he's your own
CBI,
corporator.
why not a
knows what
CBI
is allowed
investigation
here.
is what he's asking. It's not what I'm
Sir,
asking.
he's your own corporator, sir. He's not a BJP corporator. He's Congress corporator questioning the Congress government. Please understand the veracity of the issue. You're not even serious. The government is not even serious.
Government is very much serious. You are trying to gain politically out of this issue. Let me tell you,
Come on.
there were so many
You don't-
incidents. See, I belong to
I
Udupi.
think you're repeating the same charges again and again,
Come
Amrit.
on,
You're repeating
come
the
on.
same charges again and again. I
You're
very
acting like a
clearly
gramophone.
said, is the father
Okay,
interested in
you
what
give me-
political
give me-
gain the BJP is
you
making?
give-
No, he's not. Is the father interested
Give
in
me-
whether it is becoming a big political fight between the BJP and Congress? He's not. He's clearly looking at justice. He wants that the perpetrators of this crime should be put behind bars. He wants justice for his daughter. He's given out names and he's clearly saying, I'm losing out hope. I'm losing out faith. I think that needs to be addressed more than anything else.